Okay, folks, example number 2 says solve the equation, then check the solution. So we're definitely going to need to check this solution. Okay? And what does it mean to solve? What does that mean when it says solve? Ian? Get the variable by itself. And we're going to use what to get the variable by itself? Pace?
Algebra.
And what does algebra tell us to do, Maggie P? What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Okay? Now, this one's a little bit different, but it's not going to throw us off. Sam, in this one, the variable is on the right side. Does that matter to us? It doesn't. It doesn't matter to us at all. Okay? Sam, is the variable by itself? It's not. What's with it? Now, in this case, negative 11 is right next to the variable. What does that mean when the number's right next to the variable? That you're multiplying. So how do I get rid of it? No, here's the key. Here's the key. I want to divide by the thing I'm trying to get rid of. What am I trying to get rid of? What am I trying to get rid of? Harry? No, I'm not trying to get rid of 132. Paris, what am I trying to get rid of? Exactly, because I want to get the variable by itself. And it's not by itself. Negative 11 is with it, so negative 11 is the thing I'm trying to get rid of. So what do I need to do here, Jack?
You do plus 11?
No, because they're not being subtracted. Addition is the inverse operation of subtraction. These two things aren't being subtracted. What's happening between the variable and the number, Catherine?
They're being multiplied.
So what do I do?
You divide.
And what do I divide by?
Negative 11.
Exactly, the very number I'm trying to get rid of. But Pace told us earlier this is algebra. And what does algebra say, Christina?
What you do to one side, you do to the other.
What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Okay? Now, what do I have remaining on the right side? Harry? I have just z, because the negative 11s just cancel each other out. They turn into 1. Do I need to write a 1 in front of the z? Is there a 1 in front of the z? Yes, even though I don't see it, there is a 1 there. Okay? What is 132 divided by negative 11? What do you get? Suzette? I get negative 12. So z equals negative 12. Now that's the solution that I got. I need to check my solution. So I'm going to write the word check, and I like to underline it because that means that all the stuff below it is going to be my check work.
I do the same thing.
Now, I'm going to rewrite the equation. 132 equals negative 11, but I'm not going to write z. I'm going to write parentheses. Because what am I going to do with those parentheses? Raising your hand. What am I going to do with them, CB?
You multiply.
Oh, what am I going to do with those empty parentheses, Reagan?
You are going to put in z, which is negative 12.
Exactly. I'm going to put in z, which is negative 12. Okay? Now, I know that I'm supposed to get 132, but when I check it on my calculator, is negative 11 times negative 12 positive 132? Type that into your calculator and see if that's what you get. Sarah Kay? It is. So when I get 132 equals 132, what does that mean? What does that mean, Ian? You did the problem correctly. Exactly. Now let me ask you something. What if I had gotten 132 is equal to 121? What would that tell me if that's what I got? Eric?
You did it incorrectly?
I did something incorrectly. I need to go back and check my work. This is not true. That means I must have done something wrong and I need to go back and check it. But we did get the right answer. All right? Great job, everyone that helped me on that. Let's look at the next example.